A huge cache of explosives was seized from one Maruti Swift bearing registration number AS01 LC1112, which was coming from JAINTIA Hills. As per inputs from sources, police had made thorough checking on vehicles, and in the process, 2 persons involved were arrested by the BHOI police at Byrnihat. In the meantime, 2 packets of electronic detonators and 12 packets of gelatine sticks were recovered from the vehicle. In this connection, a case has been registered and investigation is on to find out more details related to the seizure of the explosives.
Around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock. So we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle is suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Byrnihat has set up a NACA around 2 o'clock, and we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number A01 LC 1112 was intercepted by the Byrnihat outpost NACA. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were 2 occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the 2 occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminum electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, Neogel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also 2 mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested. And Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under Section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So